The biggest challenge facing industrial AI isn't technical, it's human. This insight is drawn from the book, Rapid AI: Reliability, Availability and Performance Improvement Through Designed AI. As a maintenance planner, you're told there's an 87% anomaly probability. Do you act on it? The real issue isn't data, it's trust. Many industrial AI systems fail because they're unusable, not inaccurate. A black box model might give you numbers, but without answering critical questions, it's just noise with confidence. Understanding what is failing, why, how fast, and the consequences of waiting is crucial. Engineers require understanding the logic, evidence, and cause-effect chain. Only then can they act confidently and justify decisions. Technology alone doesn't solve problems, adoption does. Rapid AI stands out because it's designed for the people responsible for machines. It emphasizes explainability, graduated response, and learning from outcomes, changing everything. A system you can understand is more valuable than a perfect one you can't trust. Each step from sensor signal to action is visible and challengeable, building trust between humans and AI. Rapid AI offers 5 clear states, replacing panic with clarity. From healthy to critical, each state provides specific action guidance, ensuring a measured response. Rapid AI goes beyond prediction by asking hard questions after action is taken. Did the intervention resolve the issue? Did the signal normalize? This feedback loop ensures continuous improvement. Adoption happens when every stakeholder can rely on the system. If AI can't explain itself, it risks being ignored. Trust is essential for the system's relevance and effectiveness. The future of industrial AI involves smarter algorithms, clearer thinking, and trusted systems. With explainable chains and specific guidance, AI will learn and earn confidence over time.